Hey, what's up? It's Tim here. We're going to go over in this video how to connect a domain to Groove so that you can start publishing your pages to your own custom domain. The first thing we need to do is go into your dashboard right inside here. You're going to go up to the top right corner and you're going to click on Settings and Billing. When you're in Settings and Billing, you're going to go to Domains. You can see that Groove has two options. You can use a GroovePages subdomain, which will always be branded to groovepages.com with your name in the very beginning after the HTTPS. Or you can create a custom domain, which would be yourdomain.com. As you can see right here, you're going to purchase your domain from NameCheap or GoDaddy or in the hundreds of other different places you can get a domain, and then you are going to connect it here. So we're going to click on custom domain because that's what we want to do here. We want to connect our website with Groove. So what you're going to have to do is click add a domain. All right, so it's going to ask you in the little setup here, full domain, subdomain setup, or legacy domain setup. I always choose this one, full domain, subdomain setup. We're going to click next. Then we're going to put our domain in here. So our domain is https:// and the website I purchased is grooveforgrowth.com. All right, then I'm going to click next, just like this. All right, and then it's going to ask you to do a couple things here. First, it's going to say connect your domain in a few simple steps. So you need to go to your domain provider, wherever you purchased your domain from. I always use NameCheap. I've found their customer support really good, and I just use them. So you're going to go in there into your DNS records, and you're going to have to add these two DNS records. I'll show you. It's really easy. You're going to just copy them and paste them over. So let me just jump into NameCheap here so that you can see what that looks like. So I've gone to my dashboard. I've clicked on domain list. All right. I'm going to go down here, and you can see here where it says name servers. I'm going to go to click custom DNS. And I'm going to literally just paste those two name servers in here. So let's go and do that now. The first one is dora.ns, etc. Copy. And then paste. The next one is major.ns, and we're going to copy that one. I don't drag and copy. I want to make sure I get everything, so I just click the copy button, copy, paste. All right, there we are. And then we're going to click this check mark right here to say that we have done that. All right. It's going to take a little while, and sometimes these things do take some time before they actually populate and, you know, everything's speaking to everyone. And let's just see if there's anything I need to do here to click save. No, it looks like, okay, it may take up to 48 hours. It usually doesn't take that long. So the next thing we're going to do is come back over here and click next because we did that. And it says click on the validate button below to verify your domain configuration. I'll do this later. So we're going to click validate like this. Domain added successfully. Now you can manage the records for your connected domain or go back to your domain page. Okay, click complete process. Okay, so it does say here pending verification. Now it's going to just say this forever until you actually click to verify domain like this. All right, and it's asking me to still go in there. So we'll come back when that's all done. Okay, so it's actually been about 10 minutes. So let's just click to verify domain, validate DNS records. And there you go. You can see that it is secure and connected. So perfect. Now, the last step that you need to do in this process is you need to choose a primary app for this domain. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to publish your pages to your new beautiful website. So we're going to click choose primary app for this domain. And of course, we're going to use GroovePages. Okay, so we're going to make sure that that's selected. We're going to click the check mark. Now, once that is done, you're going to see underneath GroovePages a red line. That means that you are going to be able to publish your pages to your custom domain. You will also have the ability to publish other apps to your domain as well, but this is going to be the main one. Okay, so we've done that. We're going to click on close. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to go over to GroovePages over here, and we are going to actually go to our website. Now I've been kind of making some dummy websites here and calling them different things, but we're going to go to manage site here. I'm just going to show you how this is going to be done. So let's go over to the pages that I've created here. It looks like my thing is blocking. There we go. Okay, so let's go over to here, click on Pages, and we're going to go to Primary, which is our home page. I'm not sure if this is the primary one or not, or if it's this one. I think it's this one. Okay, never mind. We'll just do it like this. So we'll go over here. So I just want to explain that when you're publishing pages, you need to make sure that you have set the page settings to be where you want it. So if you're publishing your root to the root domain, that means I'm going to be publishing to grooveforgrowth.com, this page. But if I want to, publish a thank you page, for example, which I would want to do, then I'm going to have to go here to the thank you page and make sure that in your settings you're selecting the folder, which is going to be after the /thank-you. So you just want to make sure that you're doing that, but we're going to publish this one. So we're going to go to Publish, and we're going to go over here to Hosting Options. Now, it's going to say, where do you want to publish to? Do you want to publish to a GroovePages subdomain? No. Custom domain? Yes. And we're going to go in here, we're going to look for our website. There it is, grooveforgrowth.com. Now, am I publishing this to a subdomain of that, which means what would come before grooveforgrowth.com? So I could have like courses.grooveforgrowth.com, etc. No, we're publishing this to the root. And so that means that this page, the main website, is going to be this page that I'm in edit mode right now with. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and then we're just going to click Publish. It's going to give you a little status update here, and we'll just wait a little bit longer. Now, you can also just pop out here to look at it and see if it's done that, or you could grab the link, copy and paste it into a new browser if you wanted to. Just for fun, let's pop it out here and see if it is. Okay, so it's in process for sure. It's showing that this is grooveforgrowth.com. Don't know why that's saying that, but it's still not loaded yet. So we will just check back in a couple minutes and see if it's published and everything is live. So that's it. If you want to join the 10-day Groove challenge that I've put together, you're going to get daily videos on how to set up everything inside of Groove to get your online business up and running. And you're going to learn how to set up your website, your landing pages, create your first products to sell, how to run email campaign sequences using GrooveMail, how to be an affiliate, create memberships, courses, and so much more. So go ahead to grooveforgrowth.com. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below.